the beginning of February, and 1 month ago we were celebrating New Year's and enjoying the last of our leeks from the root cellar. And those delicious leeks, we ate all of this part, but we saved that root. And this is what happens. So take a look. There are so many ways to root, whether it's celery or scallions or carrots, and they regrow leeks too. And what happens next? Very intriguing things. But here's the key to keep in mind. So many of those crops, they're biennials. So rather than growing a great big leek that's going to be delicious like this again, it's going to seed. So take a peek. So of course, if you grow it, it'll be much larger and happier if you plant it in soil. But here's what happens even if you just plant, oh, it's so amazing that it even survives, in a little cup with just water. And it grows. And so take a look. It has this lovely leaf and this other lovely leaf, but look right there. That blanched stem and then that bulbous part, what's happening? It's trying to flower. This is a biennial. Leeks, carrots, beets you can do this with too, and that regrowth will be it'll be vegetative leaves at first, but it very quickly will transition to be, yes, a flower, so that they can make a seed in their second year. Biennials grow vegetatively their first year and then need some kind of vernalization over winter period. And then that second growing season is when they send up their flower stalk. And leeks, this leek, its parents and great-grandparents and great-great-great-grandparents we've saved the seeds of, and they honestly get as tall as I do with these huge, beautiful flowers, just orbs with hundreds of flowers making thousands of seeds on them. But when they're small and stressed and don't have a lot of nutrients, this leek is still going for it. So going for seed, it's amazing. So here's the thing to keep in mind. If you're growing things like scallions and leeks and celery growing from the root plate, and you're wanting just to have a fun science experiment and eat some fresh greens in the middle of the winter, I love you. And just know that eat them young. Don't expect them to grow full size, big, beautiful, voluptuous vegetables, because they won't. They will go, as soon as they have enough nutrients to make more seed, they'll just make more seed, not more vegetative parts for you. So that's where we're about to eat this for supper, and it's going to be delicious. Just like tender, yummy leek greens, which it is. And so, yes, now you know. Biennials are wonderful to save the seed of, or to replant and grow the greens of after you grow and eat most of the delicious part. Just don't expect them to get full size and delicious, just like they did in that first year of growth. And thank them. And we have so much to learn from things that regrow with such tenacity and such resilience and have so much to give and share.